Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do an AEM fill filter, and I think that's pretty much it. I'm filming and editing this all day of, so didn't really prepare this week, but next week I'll have a good one for you guys. So here we go. I'll throw you on the time lapse. Alright guys, so sorry about the wind. It's pretty windy here today. Got it in. It's a true AEM from what I see. I mean, that's the only thing on there. Everything's back up. Runs. I thought it was leaking from this little lip here, but it wasn't because the cap was loose. Never installed one of these before, but yeah, now I know. So yeah, we'll be doing outro here in just a second. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed it. It's nothing much really, and it's relatively easy. But yeah, hopefully next week I'll have something better, maybe more in depth this time. We'll try that. Less time lapses. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, see you next week.